Hi, it's Carly McAvoy. My first video about Canvas, I'm just going to talk about managing your dashboard. So what we're looking at right now is my dashboard, and for this quarter I chose to put all of my quarterly classes in brown, and I have a picture on each one of them. I find that pictures help me remember my class a little easier than just a name. Now, I called this class Clippers because I wanted to name it that. I could have picked any other nickname. And then what I do is put all my classes for the quarter at the very top of my dashboard. You can drag and drop them around in whatever order you want. So that's really easy to do. Just put your hand on there and use your left button to click it and then drag it. Next, then I have a bunch of classes that I'm in for the state board or for campus, and I always make those hot pink. And then at the bottom is my next quarter coming up, which is my spring 20 classes. Now, in the spring 20 classes in green are my actual active classes. You can see that I have a class here that I just created this course for myself to work in, so it's not for any particular quarter. Same thing over here. And then I have two different Clippers classes. So that is a little hard for me to remember. In my picture, I put this is my Monday, Wednesday one, and this is my Tuesday, Thursday. So by putting a picture there with a little name, I can change those. But I could also change the name on one of these if I wanted to. I can put a nickname in here. So all I did was click on the the dots there at the top, and I could say this is Clippers Monday, Wednesday. Okay, and so now not only would it say Monday, Wednesday up here, but now the nickname for that class is Monday, Wednesday, so I can always know which class is which. All right, so that's something you can do, drag around your classes. Also, if at some point I decide I don't want all these classes on my dashboard, I can go to courses, and then if I drag down to the bottom, I can go all courses, and when I get that up, I can see anything that I have a highlighted star is on my dashboard. And so maybe I'm like, right now, I just don't want to have the 2019 Assessment Teaching and Learning Conference on there. I can get rid of that by clicking that, and now it will no longer be on my dashboard at all. But I don't really want to do that. I'm going to keep that there. So I can do that and manage what I have on my dashboard at all through that one. Going back to my dashboard, remember that I can add pictures, but I also want to show you how to do that. So if I go into any one of my classes and go down to settings at the very bottom, the first thing that's going to come up is the details of your course. This is a little bit slow right now. I'm not sure why. But once you have your course details up, you can see the image. You can add it right there. I have an image on there. I could remove that image and put a different image. And then whatever you do, whenever you do something like this, make sure that after you've done what you wanted, that you would go down and update your course details. The only other thing that I really do in this course details page is maybe change the start and end date of the quarter. If I want to have a week 0 for online students, I sometimes will set it a few days ahead of the quarter, or if I want students to have it for a few days after. And that way it allows me to have things available, even if I don't have due dates at that time, I have the availability for it. Okay, that's the dashboard. Have a great day.